With school out and summer in full swing, many children look forward to attending summer camps. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many traditional programs have had to reinvent themselves. Victoria Connor, the director of the West Springfield Parks and Recreation Department, spoke with Connecting Points Idalese Bauer about their summer reimagined and why it was important for them to still offer these programs despite the pandemic.
Well, we were really scrambling after Governor Baker came out with the phased approach to reopen. And we felt as though with those guidelines that were in place for summer camps, we wanted to offer something to our children in our community. And the easiest way for us was to talk about canceling summer camps as we know it and coming out with a statement of programming that we were going to reimagine. We were going to recreate under the guidelines that were given to us a safe, fun summer program for children in West Springfield. So it was a message to parents first that camps are not going to be set up the way we all know and have seen for years and years, and that we're going to come up with some different type of programming. So it was a play on words that we needed to get across for parents to understand it's not going to be the same old camp type of experience, but we're going to offer you something for the summer for our kids to do.
And talking about parents, you included them in these discussions by sending them out a survey. Why was it important for you all to engage the parents in that manner?
Our charge as a Park and Rec department is to provide our community with leisure services and activities for adults and children. They're our users. They're the ones that we want to create our programs around, and their input, their needs are very important to us. So it'd be, it would be silly to try to put any program together without their feedback, what their needs are. And even their comfort level, where we are with this pandemic, their feedback was crucial. So we constantly do surveys to our user groups, stakeholders to see what their needs are.
So how are you all reimagining this summer?
Our team struggled. We have a super team that works for us in our office. Our program directors are all certified teachers, as well as our rec supervisor has been with us for 20 or some years. And camps, you gotta realize when we're running camps, I mean, this is years and years and years of practice and initiating a program that we've pretty much mastered. Now with the guidelines in place, with reimagining, we really had to have our staff, our team, look at the guidelines that the state gave us and try to figure out what we could safely do and be able to offer, to our residents. So our team was really creative. We looked at those guidelines. We knew that we couldn't offer a large number of programming for children, that we had to do it in smaller groups like pods, camps. Typical camps, you go swimming, you go on field trips, you have, you have activities that come into you. And this is really, had to be cut down into programs that are small group programming. So we came up with about 5 weeks of programming that contained a bunch of different activities, either a full day activity or a half day activity for our kids in our community.
And what are the guidelines that you had to abide by in order to even reimagine these summer programs?
Back in June 1st, when the guidelines came out for camps, they were issued by, the state with the EEC, and the guidelines that we were given. There's no swimming, there's no field trips, reduced group sizes, no interaction or play between groups, and no extracurricular activities. Group sizes are to 10 children max, with 2 staff members. So we came up with a small pod type of idea of like a play group type of activity, and just really put away the camp idea for this summer.
Now, I know you mentioned the pods, having to reorganize in that manner, but I know that it's so hard to have children physically and social distance. It's just not in their nature. Are you a little worried about, having that distance between them, or maintaining that control in the pods?
Well, there's small group settings. I have certified teachers as lead teachers at each pod. And there's about 6 different pods, 5 full day pods, and 1 half-day pod. And they all also have an assistant with them that's either high school or college age. And it's going to be a learning curve. It's going to be something different. Most of these children haven't socialized in the last 3 months. But the important part for us is to stay by those guidelines, practice social distancing when we can, use masks when we can't, and have a good hygiene and cleaning process in place so we can ensure that we keep these children safe and also active and acclimate them back to their hanging out with their peers again.
You also mentioned, not being able to do the typical things like swimming in the pools, field
Yeah.
trips, excursions. That's the fun of summer, what every child looks forward to when they're not in school. So
Yeah.
how are you planning on making up for that loss? What creative things are you going to be implementing in these programs?
So our staff, again, they're teachers, so they know how to schedule a day and move from activity to activity. You know, they're going to have a combination of different activities throughout the day. They're going to do arts and crafts, natures, walks, group fitness types of things. And we have every single week, we have as a themed week. We have a nature week, we have a science week, we have an underwater week, STEM week. And each week that we have will rotate around those types of themes and keep the kids engaged and very active. I mean, that's what kids we need to do. We need to keep them every 40, 45 minutes is changing into a different activity and keep them moving. So our team has done a wonderful job scheduling and preparing and getting these programs up and running with a lot of activities for these kids to do during the day.